Welcome to your own YouTube channel, Edu Experts. Friends, today I want to share with you how you can use your phone screen as a whiteboard. Friends, as in these lockdown days, we have no whiteboard to teach our students online. So, you can use your phone screen as a whiteboard now. And I want to tell you how you can use a pencil to write on that white screen, and you can share that screen with your students. So first let us see where is the whiteboard or notebooks. So there is a app on my screen, you can see InNote, the green colored app InNote, INNOTE. You just install it from Play Store, click on it and see this type of interface you will see on your screen. Then there is a plus sign on the top, you click on it. If you want to create notebook, you can create from here. If you want to select a page, you can select a page also. See, if I have selected, I will get a white screen. And you can select a pen from the top side here. Pen color also you can choose. If you want to use any another color, you can choose that color also, and you can start writing over here. Okay, this type. You can select the thickness of the pen also. This is another pen, you can write here with different thickness. Okay, so this is how you can use a whiteboard, and this board you can share with your students. And these are the notebooks which you can prepare for the students. See, you can teach your students using this app also. Suppose you have picked this notebook. So this is the first page. From here you can select any pic from your album. It may be the picture of any notebook or book which you want to teach your students, like this. Okay, then select it. Okay, then you can explain your students notes from here, and you can write on these notes while teaching to your students, like this, like this. Okay, so you can explain your students like this. This is a very good app. Or if you click the right sign on the top, right top, this assignment is going to be saved automatically. Okay, so let us see whether it is saved or not. Wow, it is saved. So in this way you can use any notebook, or if you want to use any whiteboard, you can click here. Okay, then this will be used as a white notebook, or whiteboard is also there, I can show you. Then you have to select different page. This page, this is a whiteboard. Okay, you can share this whiteboard with your students, and you can write anything. So let us see how to make that magical pen using a pencil. For that you need a pencil, one sharpener, tape, cotton, and this foil paper, okay, which you use to wrap your food item. Okay, so let us start the process. First you sharpen the pencil. Let us sharpen the pencil. Sharpen it properly. Then wrap this wool also you require on this lead, pencil lead. Wrap it carefully like this. You can wrap like this. This is going to be very interesting, friends, very interesting. Now what you have to do is just start wrapping this foil paper from here. See, like this. wrap like it. Okay. Wrap it tightly. It should be very tight. Okay friends, then you put some tape. Now I am putting tape on it. This is very interesting, very interesting. Very useful thing nowadays. Because lockdown is going on and we have no writing pen. So this writing pen is going to be very useful. You can make it very easily by using this method, and you can make it more sharp by cutting the extra wool with the scissors. And friends, now you have to dip this tip in some water. Okay, like this. Now friends, your pen is ready. Now you can use this pen as a writing pen on your screen. Okay, let me give you an example. This is another mobile phone. You can use it. See, this is working. Yes, this is working. Okay, if you have a notepad, see, I am giving an example. Notepad. Keep notes. See friends, this is keep notes. Let me add any note. Title, any title. Okay, then add. Okay, so this is a white screen. Now I will write on it. See friends, this pen is writing. Look. Okay, this pen is working. So friends, this was all about the video. How was it? Did you like it? Okay, if you like it, you can press the like button and share it so that other can also be benefited with this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, immediately subscribe it. Thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day.